All right, so I got the Vigor here. I'm gonna give it a foam bath now. It's pretty dirty. It's been sitting outside for, I don't know, a couple weeks. Bird crap on it and all sorts of stuff. So yeah, time to clean it up. Yeah, look how dusty it is there. I gotta put the cover on it. So of course I gotta clean it first. I got bird crap all over. So here it is after my two-step wash. Yeah, pretty good, nice and easy. I did give it that paint treatment or the sealant coat with that turtle wax hybrid ceramic, whatever it's called. So it cleans up pretty nice, pretty easy. All right, car cover's on. It's a little bit of a stretch on this car. It's not made or wasn't sized for this car. But yeah, that's all for this video, and until the next one.